Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Lorie Mattson. I'm addicted to all of her brass, so we knew this was coming. She sent me a couple freebies with this one. Let's see. I asked her if she had an extra one of these fish, and she included it for me. How sweet. And I already have an idea for it. It's beautiful copper fish. Isn't that cool? I already have an idea for it. I just don't know if I want to hang it this way, or this way. Oh, it's difficult to decide, but I'm going to use some Amy Mealy Zazz beads with this, the raccoon. It'll look really great with that copper. And then we have two bezels, like two cabochon settings. Very cute. And then these are two different orders that she combined into one for me. So I used a lot of this chain in the May video of Sam's Bead Box, so I wanted to replenish because it's a really nice chain, and I just love that brass color. So I got a few feet of that. And then a really cool bead cap lot, mostly brass. We do have some silver in here. These are cute for some big beads, but I loved the variety she had in this mix. Look at those. Those are really cool. These are more like, not to use as like spacer bead caps for me, but like more focal bead caps. I don't know if that makes sense. It does in my brain. Look at these. They're like little baskets. So cool. I love that natural brass. Oh my gosh. They're like little stars on them. They're so detailed. Little flowers on these. This one's really cool too. Very neat. Oh wow. This one's almost like a bell. That is one cool bead cap. It looks like it was a filigree. I mean, all of these are filigrees, but it looks like a filigree that was folded up into a bead cap. I'm going to figure out how to do that. That's pretty cool. Is there another one? Yes, there is. That's so awesome. I'm loving those. Those are wonderful. Then I got a couple of these. They're like little bracelets. Just really like the chain. I'll probably just use it for the chain. Maybe not specifically as a bracelet, but really nice chain. Very high quality. Beautiful. And then we have two filigree lots to go through. Oh, and I also bought these. I already have an idea for them. They're little brass Calla Lilies. They're gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I want to do a lariat with them, a very long one, and have these just be the ends of the lariat. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. So happy. The first set is a bunch of bows, and I probably bought a bunch of these before, but that's one of my triggers. I was just like, I have to get bows. They're so cute. I love this one. I know I have it, but I love it still. And I made one of those Christmas necklaces out of this one, so I'm glad I have another one now. Love these little bows. I don't know. It's a throwback to when I was selling on Etsy. I just love them. So I don't know if the connector, because these are the same, but this one's a connector and this one isn't. So I don't know if those were cut off or they were just different pieces. Cute little stamped. Oh, copper. This would look really cool on a bracelet. Wow, it's got some cool like engraving in there. Some more just different shapes. Bunch of these. I have a bunch of these. And then last but not least, this guy. So cute. Love that whole little mix. And then last but not least, this mix. I did miss out on some that somebody got two before me that had a beautiful moon in it. I'm still crying about it. But I loved this drop. I want to make a mold of this. And I know some of you have said, I want to know how to make molds. I got more mold making stuff, so I can do a video for you. So it's coming. Two of those. We've got just a regular filigree. 2 of these little chandelier pieces. Gorgeous. I love this guy. I got this lot mainly for these and this pendant. Oh, this one came from Chelsea's Beads. It says it on the back. And then these are cute. They look like little conchos, but they're charms. This one's neat. I think that would be a really cool bracelet. Love the detail of the flowers. A larger filigree. Some connectors. Those little tulips in there. Looks like it. And then some more, like a fan shape. So, oh, and then some little bezels. So much fun. I love this order. These are my favorite thing from the order. But I loved everything. Oh, these and the fish, of course. And those are the 2 things that I have ideas for already. So stay tuned for Goldie. Also stay tuned because I'm going to be making a lariat and then a necklace with that fish at some point. I just got to pick out the beads. And let me know what your favorite was. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.